Hey, hi. Good evening. I'll be doing a quick walkthrough of the challenge, and I thought it made more sense to explain more here rather than in the problem statement, largely because there was so much that I wanted to share. So hopefully this video captures what it is that we see as a pain point for ourselves, and that's why it's not too explicitly mentioned in the problem statement like we do for other challenges. Okay, the problem, so to speak, is that if you come to our homepage, and it's bare bones, right? It's very basic. It's basic because it was meant to be basic at a point, maybe 1 year, 1.5 year. I don't exactly recall now. Since then it's been exactly like this. It's not much as in nothing has changed, in fact, for the homepage apart from the footer. But since that time, a lot has changed at UXAC, right? We've gone from, I think, 1,000 members to now 3,000 members. I'm not sure on the numbers also. We've gone from use cases that were just challenges that we had done previously, nothing live or anything. Previously, challenges, they were just listed as, a long list of challenges. To now various use cases whereby, one major use
नेट
case
खराब
is
नहीं है उसमें पैसे पैसे
one
गिरे
major use case is top solutions through Eldorado plus video, etc. that come with that, which is a paid offering, and also a very recent offering, which is the whole feedback track that we are trying to get out. Fun fact: in case you're interested in doing this, we are donating all the money that comes to this page till the 15th to COVID relief efforts. Anyway, but besides this, there are other things that are also happening at UXAC, right? So we've also gone and formalized our dealings with businesses. Earlier, it was somebody used to come and just drop a lead on the page, and we used to reach out, and things used to work out, and we had earlier contacts, and that's how it worked. It was pretty informal, formal in that sense, but pretty unstructured, right? But now there's a structure to it. There are flows to it. We've done hiring hackathons recently for DHH, which was a complete flow and it's a complete product. So that is another use case. Hackathons is another use case that has come through. And that also is, if you see the homepage, there's nothing, absolutely nothing about it, right? So there are two users. One is obviously new users that come to this page, and they should be able to understand what UXAC is and what it's trying to do. Obviously, since you are already UXAC members, you would know what we do. It's not very easy to put it into a bucket saying that we are a learning platform or we are a community or we are an X or we are a Y. We are what we are.
That's
We
an
ourselves don't
interesting
know what
line.
we are. If somebody comes to me and asks me, what are you? It's very difficult to, even now, 3 years down the line, 3.5 years, to say that this is what we are, because we are moving as the market is moving. But we know the use cases that have worked, right? The use cases that have worked are weekly challenges, the videos around weekly challenges, the community members, their entire showcase videos, those have worked. And then we've also gone out and formalized an events calendar, which we never had earlier. It was just, we felt like doing certain things, we enjoyed doing them, and if there was interest in the community, we used to go ahead and do them. But now we have a formal events calendar, which we try and follow. Thanks to whatever's happened in the last 2 weeks, we've not been very good at following it. So, but there are various events within that as well, right? Okay, so this is taking its own sweet time. I don't know if it's the video or the site. Nishit, site है या video का problem है? ठीक है, चलो जो
नहीं, ये तो सिंपल ही
चल रहा है,
है.
ठीक है. So there are various events also that are planned as well as happening. So for example, the DHH which just got concluded, there is a PM hiring hackathon that's going to happen. LH is a product that we've already kind of done, and it's going to get refreshed and launched again. Then there's something that's very interesting that's coming through, that is Skillsprint. So some of these are already done or live, but some are new and are going to be upcoming, right? So the homepage doesn't talk about them in any meaningful way. For example, I'm very excited about this League of Titans. This is mostly to engage people who've already done our challenges and now want something more out of it, like maybe it's two competition, one-on-one, head-on, something of that nature. This piece also kind of does not come through on the page, right? And also there are other tracks that we are going to come through. Obviously in this challenge, maybe those are not very relevant. Something related to the projects whereby people can pick up tasks and work with other companies also. That is in the work, so you can ignore that. But yeah, two major use cases, personas, new users who come here, and obviously companies that come here. They definitely, I don't think right now our page really talks to them. It talked to an audience earlier, and then, as I said, right, in the problem statement, at that time we were shifting from a B2B page to a B2C page, And that's why we wanted everybody to just click this button and go in, right? We wanted that to happen. We didn't want a flow. We didn't want a long scroll at all. Now, I don't know if that makes sense. There are just so many things that we want to talk about, but we are not able to talk about to the new user, especially on this page, and to companies also. That's pretty much it. I mean, I don't want to bias beyond this, but if I don't give this context, I know it will be very difficult. We don't want a jazzy page, of course. I mean, we want an interesting, fun page, but we are not looking to jazz up the page. That's not what we are looking to do. We are looking for something that is meaningful for people who want to be part of this, who want to learn, improve themselves, who are young, because we've seen college students being very, very interested in the challenges we do, and who are also old but are looking to reskill themselves. So recently, I think Vikas, if he's here, he's somebody who's a 2008 pass out, he said, and he's looking to improve his skill sets because of the times we are in. So people are looking to reskill. I have a few alumni who want to now get into product management because they've been in sales and they don't have the necessary skills. So they said that, where can I go? And when I lead them here, they kind of don't understand what this is. This page really doesn't talk to them. But when I show them the challenges and walk them through it, then they kind of get a sense of what we are trying to do. Not 100%, but somewhere better than what it is right now. So that's the gist. I might sound a little confused because that is how running a startup is. It's not 100% defined. Otherwise, you would no longer be a startup. I'm happy about that part, but I'm also happy about the part that, we have more use cases than we had when we made this page. And that's what we want to, show. Nishit, anything to add to this?
No, I think you have covered mostly. I wanted to just get a sense of, though obviously there are two clear personas. Obviously, one is the new users, and obviously the companies. How we can talk to them. But wanted to just understand, like, from because most of you are existing users. Do you ever visit our homepage, like in a way, like क्या चल रहा है अभी, क्या आने वाला है?
वो कैसे
Anyone may have, yeah.
कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे, कैसे आंसर करेंगे? आप हम एक पोल डाल देते ना, दैट विल बी अ बेटर वे. मतलब डू यू एवर, अभी यस या नो बोलेंगे, उससे क्या पता चलेगा? वी विल डू अ स्टडी ऑन इट, मे बी वी विल डू अ सेपरेट स्टडी ऑन इट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पेज. बट रिगार्डिंग द चैलेंज, एनीथिंग मोर टू ऐड?
No, I think more or less is covered. Any questions if you guys have, we can answer that.
Anybody has any questions, any doubts? Because the problem statement will not, without listening to this, I don't think the problem statement truly captures everything. It captures what is needed, but this context is also needed. So if this context is not clear, then maybe it will be a little bit difficult. But if this context is clear, then I think it's a pretty straightforward. So any questions? Vikas, Vishalika, Akash, Neha, Priyank, Mehak, any doubts, any questions? Yeah. Yeah, Vikas.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
I joined a little bit late, so can you just briefly explain?
Yeah, sure. So what I was saying was, because I'll share the recording. Maybe if you listen to the recording, you will be able to. You're in the group, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
Yeah. So in the recording, you will be able to get there. But after that, if you have any doubts, do DM me. I'll be happy to answer. Okay.
Fine, sir. Fine.
All right. Okay. That's pretty much it. It's straightforward, but yeah, I mean, there are clear things that we know that are wrong, but we want to also see if there is something that we are completely missing. And that, I think, something that you can do better than us, whereby you reach out to somebody who's completely new and ask them, what do you think about this page, and does it talk about what we do the same way that you understand what we do? And if there is a gap there, then obviously that is one thing that we need to work on this page, which is evident. There are things to do which is very, very evident. And also, we are not looking for very beautiful designs, right? So don't spend too much time on beautiful designs. That is not the purpose of it. We want to just find out the main key ideas. We'd be happy with the product note also, no problem. Just list down the points, but explain why the points are there, because obviously we need to rank them and there has to be a winner and all of that has to happen. So that's pretty much it. I'm really looking forward to what comes through. Should be very, very interesting. Also, one more thing, if you submit, you get to see, I think that's how it is, right, Nishit? If you submit, you get to see everybody else's solutions also. So no matter what happens, just submit whatever comes to your mind. Abhi bhi dekh ke jo aa raha hai, just put it as a note so that you get access to everyone's solution. That's one thing that we can enable thanks to this challenge. If you don't submit, it's just the discussion that we'll have on Tuesday. But it's a good way to learn also how everybody else is also thinking. Great. Thanks for joining in. I'll share the recording, Vikas, on the group. And if there's anything else, please do DM me or Nishit or put it on as a question on the group. Okay. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and we'll really look forward to the solution. All right.